You don't need a contractor or a massive budget to boost your home's value. In fact, some of the most powerful upgrades can be done in a single weekend by you. And today, I'm going to walk you through the exact projects that not only make your home look better, they actually increase its market value fast. Start at the front. First impressions matter. Paint your front door a bold, clean color, deep black, classic red, navy. It tells the world this home is cared for. Swap outdated hardware for something modern. Matte black, brushed nickel. It's a tiny touch that elevates the entire look. Clean up your yard. Edge the lawn. Add mulch. Plant a few pops of color with hardy perennials. No green thumb needed. Just a little intention goes a long way. Now step inside. Light fixtures, game changer. Replace those old builder-grade lights with something clean and modern. LED options are affordable and easy to install. They make the entire room feel upgraded. In the kitchen, skip the expensive remodel. Paint the cabinets whites, greys, even forest green if you're feeling bold. Add sleek new hardware and a modern faucet. Suddenly, your kitchen looks designer without the designer price. Choose one wall in a living room or bedroom and turn it into a feature. Paint it a bold color. Add peel and stick wood paneling. Go for board and batten if you're handy. One wall, one weekend, one major impact. In the bathroom, small changes equals big results. Swap out your old mirror for something stylish. Upgrade the lighting. Install a rainfall shower head. Even recorking the tub can breathe new life into a tired space. Paint everything. Walls, trim, touch-ups, warm, neutral tones are your best friend. They make your home feel clean, modern, and bigger. Paint is the single best ROI for your time and money. Period. And don't forget the garage. Clean it up. Add wall storage, shelves, even pegboard. If you're up for it, paint the floor with epoxy for that showroom feel. Buyers notice and they remember. These are simple, approachable weekend projects that turn just another house into a home people fall in love with. They don't just increase your home's value, they make you feel the value too. So, what are you waiting for? Pick one, grab your tools, and let's get to work. If this gave you ideas, hit that like button, subscribe for more real-world upgrades that make a real difference, and drop a comment below, tell me what you're building next weekend. Thanks for watching Home Improvement 2, where real men build value, not excuses.